What's going on, YouTube? It is Thursday, June 15th, 6:33 a.m. And I kind of want to just go over my daily forecast for the day. Starting with the technical side and with FOMC yesterday. So FOMC just dropped, well, dropped yesterday. Jerome Powell came out, basically said, "Hey, listen, we're pausing the interest rate hike for now, but we are definitely looking to resume in July. If X, Y, and Z doesn't happen, if inflation growth still, if it stays around 4.0 or if it goes up, they're definitely going to be looking to increase or rate hikes again. So they're taking a momentarily pause for now, right?" We also got the assumption that we may actually hit a pretty soft landing, due to the fact that how much inflation went down, and it's like kind of saying that, okay, cool, that the rate hikes are working in our favor now. So what we want to do, what we want to look at, what this means for the U.S. dollar currency. Um, this is a great question. One sec. All right. So what does this mean for the U.S. dollar currency? Well, to be honest with you, when coming to the U.S. index, all right, let's just take a look at it for now. I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys. I'm not really too sure. I don't really know what this means, but let me remove this. I'm just looking in, just kind of using what I have in my brain already. So this means that it can keep on falling. If interest rates isn't going up, then that means that the U.S. dollar isn't going to be going up. If interest rates going down, the U.S. dollar will be going down. So, but then that doesn't fall true for here, because this whole time the interest rates was going up, but this was going down. And then the same right here, interest rates was going up. November happened, it started going down. So, being honest, I'm gonna look at it like this. I don't have too much information on that yet. But from what I previously just know, it may mean for AUD, this is just my personal, what I'm looking at, it may mean that, but looking at AUD chart, I see it took out some highs right here, grabbed some liquidity up here as well. This whole bull run is explained by the Australian dollar currency. So now that the U.S. currency is kind of in stationary position, as I call it, interest rate isn't hiking up. But I believe when it comes to bonds and treasury, yeah, so bonds, bonds still projected to go downward. Okay, simple summary: USD interest rate stopped. USD currency based on the DXY may continue to go lower all the way to down here before July. One thing I know about July is the DXY will continue to go up. I'm pretty sure when July hits, the DXY is going to start on bullish run, or it may start it now. Who knows? Since it took out this liquidity out down here, who really knows? Filled in these guys right here. Tap this order block here too. So based off what I see on AU, macro view, not too sure, but micro view, I am looking for sales. I'm looking for the sales to go lower here. So now I'm looking for an area where maybe if it hits that area, we can look for buys. Looking at the weekly candle, it's been all bullish. Today's Thursday. I'm excited to see if it's going to continue going up or it's going to come back down a little bit and close a little bearish. Not a little bearish, but less bullish than this big candle right here. So today's going to be definitely a low risk day for me. Probably if I'm risking 1%, it's going to be 0.5. And I'm going to be targeting these highs in London right here. So these equal highs right here in London, I will be targeting. I'll be targeting this right here, these equal highs right here. Boom. Looking for you take out of these equal highs to then go lower again, but then also got to keep in mind we also have some equal highs right above here that was created by last New York's London close session. And that's dope how the London close literally create the reversal point for what may be today again. Not sure though, but we'll see. So yeah, dry those out right there, and we just sit patiently, wait to see what happens when it reaches this level. We either want it to break above here, and then we want to see it form some type of fair value gap, break structure fair value gap. If that doesn't happen, it continues to go up, then we can expect it to happen at this level. So bias definitely for bearish bias. I gotta start like this, bearish bias. So we got bearish bias here, and then bias is bearish. We're looking for these highs right here to get ran out. Okay, so yeah, we got buy side liquidity here, and then some more buy side liquidity up here. And then our targets would be target one would be right here. Partial two would be right around here. And then take profit will be here. Thing is though, today is really not a good day to trade, simply because we have news at 8:30. Just some unemployment claims. Nothing too serious, matter of fact. Core retail sales, which open up the folder. Last time actually went down. Very interesting. See what happens today around 8:30. But yeah, that's my analysis for the day. Got bearish bias. I'm looking to take partials here. P1. And P2. If everything plays out, that's where I'll be looking to take partials. And then I'm going to hit TP over here, right upside the head. But yeah, without further ado, Peace and love, and until next time.